Okay, so basically fractions. Let's start with fractions. Let's say if I write a plus b divided by c. How can you split this?
A over C plus B over C.
Okay. A over c plus b over c.
I know.
So if I write c over d plus e over d, this will be equal to.
C plus E over D.
Now let's say
I think must
1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to.
1 and 1 by 2.
Improper fraction. How much?
Oh, 3 over 2.
So technical, I'll tell you a trick, okay?
Uh-huh.
Happening is, yeah, that is one way, but I'll tell you a shortcut.
Uh-huh.
1 plus 1 by 2. What happens to you write this p? Use the denominator. 2 will be, of course, the denominator, right?
Uh-huh.
So what happens is 1 times 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 upon 3. 2 plus 1 upon 2 is 3 by 2.
So if there's like 6 and 7 over 9, it would be, so you go 50, 54 plus 7, which is 61.
61 over
9. Oh,
9.
9.
So I think you understand that. So this is equal to that.
Mhm.
So in general, if I write a plus b over c, this will be equal to.
C times A plus B over B.
So ca plus b over total divided by c. Okay.
Uh-huh.
And even if you split this thing, you get ca over c plus
B over C.
ca over c means what? A plus b by c. Same thing. So that is about adding the fractions. Now let's say a by b plus c by d.
This is the noise. Uh-huh.
A by
Uh,
plus c by d.
you cross it, right?
Hmm.
AD plus BC.
ad plus bc upon
BC plus AD. Or AC. Yeah, AC. Just the denominators.
your denominator gets multiplied. Okay.
Uh-huh.
This is just one method. See, if I write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, can you tell me directly the answer will be?
2 by 6. Wait, I'm so confused. What do you mean by this?
You're adding two fractions. Can you directly tell me the answer?
By doing this method?
Hmm.
Okay. That's, wait. Oh, okay, so you go 3 times 3 plus B times C is 2 over 6, which is 6.
5 over 6. Next, let's say if it was 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6.
8 over 12?
Yeah, 8 over 12.
I'll simplify it into 3/4.
Okay, how do you simplify this fraction?
Divide by 2 or 4.
First observation is they are even numbers.
But can I go directly for
Yeah,
2/3?
so do that. Next, let's say there is a fraction 112 upon, let's say 51. 102 upon 51. How can you simplify it?
Like just divide.
Simplified fraction.
You could the first one divided by 3.
What is the numerator?
Let's see. 3,
4. And what is the denominator?
18.
It's not 18.
51 divided by 3. Wait. Oh, okay. Wait, once. And then you get remainder 2, 20, 17, right?
7.
Okay.
So basically, look. 102 upon 51 means divisibility by 3 only is what?
The sum of additions is divisible by 3.
So 1 plus 2 is 3. So that is divisible. 5 plus 1 is 6. That is also divisible. So basically common factor is 3. So write it like this. 3, 3 is a 9. Remainder is
0. Oh, 1.
first two things. 1. So 3, 4s are 12.
Yeah.
So 3 1s are 3. Remainder is
2. Let me lift it 2.
write 2 here in the middle. Yeah. So 21 means
7.
so 34 upon 17.
Yep.
And next thing is